For homeowners in New Orleans, security is a top priority, and one of the most effective ways to enhance home protection is through professional door replacement. A strong, well-installed door serves as the first line of defense against break-ins, severe weather, and energy loss. If your home has an outdated, weak, or damaged entryway, upgrading to a professionally installed security door can provide long-term benefits. Here's how professional door replacement in New Orleans can significantly improve home security. Stronger materials for maximum protection. Not all doors offer the same level of security. Many older homes in New Orleans may still have thin wooden doors or outdated materials that are vulnerable to break-ins. Professional door replacement offers access to high-security materials such as steel doors, highly durable, impact-resistant, and difficult to break. Fiberglass doors, weather-resistant and tough, with excellent insulation. Solid wood doors, classic and strong, but requiring proper maintenance to prevent warping. Choosing a reinforced, impact-resistant door ensures that intruders have a much harder time gaining entry, making your home significantly safer. Advanced locking systems for enhanced security. A strong door needs an equally strong lock. Many older doors still use basic locks that are easy to pick or force open. Upgrading to modern security locks during a professional door replacement can include multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points. Heavy-duty deadbolts reinforced with strike plates to prevent forced entry. Smart locks with keyless entry, allowing you to control access remotely. These security enhancements create an additional barrier against burglars and give homeowners greater peace of mind. Reinforced door frames and hinges. Even if you have a strong door, a weak frame or hinges can compromise security. Professional door replacement includes reinforcing the frame and hardware, ensuring strike plates are securely attached to door frames to resist force. Security hinges with hidden pins that cannot be easily removed. Solid, well-fitted door jambs that prevent prying or bending. By reinforcing both the door and its supporting structure, you greatly reduce the chances of forced entry. Weather-resistant doors for long-term security. New Orleans is known for extreme weather conditions, including hurricanes, heavy rainfall, and high humidity. A professional door replacement ensures that your home is protected against water damage that causes wood doors to swell, warp, or rot. Strong winds and storm impacts, ensuring your door remains intact during severe weather. Humidity-related issues that lead to mold growth and material degradation. With a high-quality, weatherproof door, you ensure long-lasting security and durability. Energy efficiency and additional security benefits. Many modern security doors also enhance energy efficiency, helping to prevent air leaks that can lead to high energy bills. Provide better insulation, reducing strain on HVAC systems. Block out external noise, increasing privacy and home comfort. A well-installed door offers both security and energy savings, making it a smart long-term investment. Smart door technology for extra protection. Professional door replacement in New Orleans allows homeowners to integrate smart home security features such as video doorbells with motion detection and real-time alerts. Smart locks that allow remote access and password-protected entry. Security lighting integration, turning on lights automatically when motion is detected. These modern security upgrades make it easier than ever to monitor and control home access, even when you're away. Deter criminals with a secure and well-maintained entryway. Burglars often target homes with weak entry points. A new, professionally installed security door sends a clear message that your home is protected. Criminals are less likely to attempt break-ins when they see reinforced steel or fiberglass doors that are difficult to breach. Smart locks and security cameras actively monitoring entry points. A well-maintained and properly sealed door, eliminating vulnerabilities. An upgraded entryway not only enhances security but also deters potential threats. Professional installation for maximum security. While some homeowners may consider DIY door installation, improper fitting can lead to gaps, misalignment, and security risks. Professional door installation ensures precise measurements for a perfect fit. Expert alignment and sealing to prevent air leaks and tampering. Compliance with local security and building codes. Hiring a trusted door replacement company in New Orleans guarantees long-term durability, security, and performance. Final thoughts. Invest in home security with professional door replacement in New Orleans. If you're looking to enhance your home's security, durability, and energy efficiency, investing in a professionally installed door is one of the best decisions you can make. From stronger materials and advanced locks to smart security features and weather resistance, a new door provides long-term protection and peace of mind. Don't wait until security becomes an issue. Upgrade your door today with the help of trusted New Orleans door replacement professionals and keep your home safe and secure for years to come.